Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, and today we'll be exploring the best shed design ideas to inspire you. From cozy retreats to practical workspaces, I'll show you some incredible designs and explain why they work so well. Let's dive in and get inspired. This charming shed exudes a cozy, rustic vibe with its white board and batten siding and green door. I love how the earthy tones and natural materials blend seamlessly with the surrounding greenery. The potted plants and wicker furniture add a welcoming touch, making the porch an inviting spot to relax. The stacked terracotta pots are not only visually appealing but also practical for gardening. The dual windows provide ample natural light inside. Personally, I would add some hanging string lights for a warm, ambient glow in the evenings. Additionally, a more defined pathway leading up to the shed would enhance its curb appeal and functionality. This shed immediately catches my eye with its striking black exterior contrasted by the light, airy interior. I adore the floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the space with natural light, creating a perfect greenhouse effect. The hanging planters add a vertical element, saving floor space while enhancing the greenery inside. The wreath on the door brings a touch of rustic charm. I appreciate the cozy seating area that makes this shed not just functional, but also a relaxing retreat. However, I would add some colorful cushions to the chairs to make the space even more inviting and comfortable. The mix of plants and natural materials creates a harmonious and serene atmosphere. This modern shed stands out with its sleek red siding and large windows. I love the clean lines and the way the roof overhang provides both shade and style. The double glass doors invite natural light, making the interior feel open and connected to the outdoors. The planters with vibrant flowers add a splash of color and charm. Inside, the cozy setup with bookshelves suggests a perfect retreat for reading or working. Personally, I would add a small deck or patio area to extend the living space outdoors, creating a seamless transition from the inside to the garden. This shed is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. This shed's bold design immediately grabs my attention with its striking orange doors and contrasting black and white exterior. I love the modern geometric look that feels both fresh and stylish. The high windows allow for ample natural light while maintaining privacy, which is a great touch. The palm trees and other greenery around the shed add a tropical vibe, making it a perfect backyard escape. I appreciate the concrete steps that offer a sturdy and clean entrance. To enhance this space, I would add some outdoor seating or a small deck to create an inviting spot for relaxation. Overall, this shed is a fantastic blend of modern design and functionality. This shed exudes a charming cottage-like appeal with its crisp white exterior and rustic wooden supports. I love how the large windows allow for plenty of natural light, making it an ideal space for a greenhouse or art studio. The galvanized metal planters filled with colorful flowers add a delightful touch of whimsy and contrast, nicely with the shed's clean lines. The small patio area provides a lovely spot for enjoying the garden. Personally, I would add some hanging plants or window boxes to enhance the vertical space and add even more greenery. This shed is a beautiful blend of functionality and aesthetic charm, perfect for any backyard. This quaint shed feels like a storybook escape with its vintage pink door and heart-shaped decor. I love how the hanging baskets and potted plants add vibrant splashes of color, perfectly complementing the lush greenery surrounding it. The use of repurposed windows for walls creates a unique, airy feel, making it an ideal greenhouse or cozy garden retreat. The brick pathway leading up to the entrance is charming and practical, guiding you through the garden. To enhance the space, I would add some fairy lights around the eaves for a magical touch in the evenings. This shed is a delightful blend of whimsy and practicality, creating a perfect garden sanctuary. This shed has a sleek and modern appeal with its bold black exterior and large sliding doors. I love how it opens up to reveal a cozy, inviting seating area, complete with stylish rattan chairs and striped cushions. The white interior contrasts beautifully with the dark exterior, creating a bright and airy feel inside. The patterned floor tiles add a touch of elegance and personality to the space. The lush green lawn and well-maintained garden beds surrounding the shed enhance the overall aesthetic. To improve this space, I would add a few more potted plants inside to bring in more greenery. This shed is a perfect blend of modern design and comfort, making it an ideal backyard retreat. This shed is absolutely charming with its soft pastel door and crisp white exterior. I love the inviting feel created by the light blue door, which adds a pop of color without being overwhelming. The symmetrical windows bring in plenty of natural light, making the interior feel bright and welcoming. The potted plants flanking the entrance add a touch of greenery, enhancing the overall aesthetic. The wooden deck is a nice addition, providing a small but functional outdoor space. Personally, I would add a couple of outdoor chairs or a bench to create a cozy sitting area. This shed is a perfect blend of simplicity and charm, making it a delightful addition to any backyard. This cozy shed is a dream with its warm, inviting decor and charming outdoor setup. I love the string lights and lanterns that create a magical ambiance, perfect for evening gatherings. The interior is beautifully decorated with soft cushions and a rustic wreath, making it a perfect retreat. The wooden picnic table outside is a fantastic addition, providing a great space for dining and entertaining. The table is styled beautifully with flowers and candles, adding to the overall cozy vibe. Personally, I would add some more seating options like a couple of outdoor chairs to make it even more inviting for guests. This shed is a perfect blend of indoor comfort and outdoor charm, ideal for any backyard oasis. This modern shed is a stunning example of sleek design and functionality. I love the large glass doors that open up to create a seamless indoor-outdoor living experience. The high windows allow plenty of natural light to flood the interior, making the space feel bright and airy. The interior is tastefully decorated with a cozy seating area and a colorful rug, adding a touch of warmth and personality. The concrete patio is a practical addition, providing a clean and sturdy entrance. Personally, I would add some outdoor seating or a small table to extend the living space and create a perfect spot for enjoying the garden. This shed is a perfect blend of modern aesthetics and practical design. This shed has a striking dark exterior that creates a bold contrast with its lush surroundings. I love how the black paint makes the greenery pop, giving the space a modern yet cozy vibe. The open door reveals a beautifully designed interior with a minimalist approach. The wooden shelving and furniture add warmth and functionality, while the patterned rug brings a touch of texture and comfort. The outdoor steps and patio area provide a seamless transition from the garden to the shed. Personally, I would add some hanging plants or wall art to enhance the vertical space inside. This shed is a perfect blend of contemporary design and natural elements, creating an inviting and stylish retreat. This shed immediately captivates me with its inviting, open design and vibrant plant life. The large glass doors allow for a seamless flow between the indoor and outdoor spaces, making the shed feel expansive and connected to nature. Inside, I love the cozy reading nook created by the extensive bookshelves and comfortable seating. The red chest adds a pop of color and serves as a functional coffee table. The potted plants flanking the entrance enhance the aesthetic appeal, adding a touch of greenery that complements the serene backyard setting. Personally, I would add some outdoor lighting to make the space usable in the evening. This shed is a perfect blend of functionality and charm, ideal for a personal retreat or creative workspace. This shed's interior is a perfect blend of elegance and comfort with its airy design and vintage charm. I love the abundance of natural light streaming through the large windows, creating a bright and inviting space. The hanging chair is a standout feature, offering a cozy spot to relax and read. The antique desk adds a touch of sophistication and serves as a functional workspace. The chandelier and string lights enhance the overall ambiance, adding a warm, cozy glow. Personally, I would add a soft rug to the floor to make the space even more inviting and comfortable. This shed is an ideal retreat for both work and relaxation, combining style and functionality beautifully. This whimsical shed is bursting with character and charm. I love the playful scalloped shingles and pastel pink trim, which give it a fairy tale-like appearance. The open windows with floral wreaths and hanging planters add a fresh, inviting touch. The colorful outdoor dining set is a delightful addition, perfect for entertaining guests in a vibrant, cheerful atmosphere. The mix of patterns and bright colors on the chairs and table create a festive, lively vibe. Personally, I would add some fairy lights around the roofline to enhance the magical feel in the evening. This shed is a fantastic blend of creativity and functionality, making it a standout feature in any garden. This sleek modern shed is a perfect example of contemporary design blending seamlessly with nature. I love the clean lines and minimalist aesthetic, which create a sophisticated look. The large glass doors and windows allow for plenty of natural light, making the interior bright and welcoming. The surrounding lush greenery, including the tall palm tree and various shrubs, adds a tropical feel that enhances the shed's modern design. The potted cactus is a nice touch, bringing a bit of the desert into this lush garden setting. Personally, I would add a small outdoor seating area to create a cozy spot for relaxing and enjoying the beautiful surroundings. This shed is an ideal retreat that perfectly combines style and functionality. Thanks for joining me on this tour of the best shed design ideas. I hope you found some inspiration for your own backyard retreat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and ideas. See you in the next video.